welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing great. So today I am going to be making a DIY necklace hanger. So you will need a piece of cardboard, and I just got my compass out and started to draw a circle. Okay, so I drew my circle and I'm going to cut it out. So there it is. Okay, now you're going to take a dot of hot glue and put it onto your cardboard. Then take your pistachio shell and glue the pistachio shell onto the cardboard. You want to overlap them when you do this and make sure you only have 4 so it kind of forms a square-like shape. And also remember to accidentally drop your hot glue and then have to try and scrape it off. Really, don't forget that step. Oh, I'm just kidding. Anyway, once you're done scraping it off the table, you can continue with the pistachio shell pudding. Wait, no. Oops. Forget what I just said. Anyway, just keep putting your pistachio shells in the square shape. Then start putting leaves around the little shape that you have made, just like I have showed right here. Okay, so I just continued putting petals on the flowers and made 2 more. I made 1 big and then 2 of them small, and then I took a piece of cardboard and glued down each of the flowers.
So I'm going to write something cute on there, and then I'll show you
Once
the
you've glued them down, you can fill up that empty space above the flowers with some cute quote or a cute drawing that you made and make it look super duper cute and customized. And here is the completed necklace holder. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, be sure to subscribe, like, comment, share, and watch my next video. Bye!